Today, we are going to learn how to make a banana cake using a very simple recipe. These are the ingredients that you will need. For the first step, you need to add in all the dry ingredients and mix well. Next, you can add in all the wet ingredients into the mashed bananas. Mix well until all wet ingredients are incorporated. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients in small batches. You may also use a spatula to fold in the ingredients instead. Make sure all the ingredients are mixed together. However, ensure that you do not overmix the batter as it may result in a rubbery textured cake. Line your pan with baking paper and pour the prepared batter into your pan. Put the pan into the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. Or you may also use the toothpick method to check if your cake is baked well. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.